Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my Friday Night Gab. And Camille is right in front of me, and why don't we just start off right there with Camille, with Miss Camille. I don't know. I keep saying her name wrong. It's because I say everything wrong. Y'all know that. Y'all know if you watch me, and I might be talking about Ipsy and call it Boxycharm, or I might be talking about Elemis and call it, I don't know, a different brand name. It's just what I do. I've always been a person that says the wrong name. My sisters, I call them by the opposite names all the time. And I'll say, if somebody asks me a question and I want to say no, I'll say yes, no. Or I do that a lot. So Camille, I don't think she knows her name. She doesn't answer to anything. I often call her little girl. I don't call her rotten, I promise, except on camera. I've told you that before. But she is a little Spitfire, and I always get the Spitfire ones, except for my boys that are so mild-mannered, and so it's hard on them. They're having a hard time. I think sometimes they're coming around. Yesterday, last night, Smudge was on my lap. I was in the recliner, so my legs were out. Smudge was on my lap. Blue was at my feet like he likes to be, on the side of my legs. And then she came up and she was purring, and she hadn't been, just in the last week or so, maybe 2 weeks, she needs. You know how they all need, but she wasn't needing for like the first few weeks. I thought something was wrong with her. She started needing, and she went sort of on Smudge's tail, and she was purring so loud, and I thought, oh, he's just gonna love that. No, he starts growling at her and gets up and leaves. I thought that would be, you know, because she isn't being wild for a change. So I'm wondering, do I need to change her name? I'm not real good with names. One name that I do call her accidentally on an occasion is Poppy, which was going to be her name. I thought of that name. She's so beautiful, and she may be, you know, not so gorgeous right at this moment, but when she's grown up, she's gonna be gorgeous. She's gonna look like a show cat. So I wanted her to have an elegant name, and to me, Camille is very elegant, and Poppy is just silly, but I think Poppy's a cute name. But I wanted her to have an elegant name, so I thought Camille would be great. I'm gonna stick with it for now. I may do a poll, so look for that. I may do a poll and ask y'all what you think. If you have any fabulous suggestions, except that I don't know. Anyway, let's get off that subject. She's over to the side now, so let's do that. All right. Anyway, my 4 days off was filled with being sick. So, you know that, I told y'all last week I got the second shingles vaccine. Please, somebody tell me, how often do we have to have that awful vaccination? I was thinking it's never again, but someone said it's 5 years, someone said it's 10 years. I really like to know. I don't want to ever have it again. But it wasn't as awful as the first time. The first time I had like the flu for like the weekend. But I was telling someone my symptoms this weekend, and they said, oh, you have the flu. But I never had an upset stomach. I never had a headache. I never had a fever. I never had some, you know, other things, but I was achy from head to toe, absolutely achy from head to toe. My arm felt like it had been in a bar brawl. I've said that before about the COVID shots. So, but my arm is better. My arm was better after, like, Tuesday, my arm was better. And I was a lot better by Monday probably, but then I was just lazy and didn't do what I needed to do. So I feel like I didn't even have a vacation. I need more time off. We probably all feel that way. Don't you feel that way when you get home from vacation? You need a vacation from your vacation? I think I do need that. So here it is, another week is gone. How is this happening? I mean, oh, I can't believe it. Before you know it, I mean, you know, they're already talking like Fab Fit Fun fall. It's like fall. It's, you know, give us a little chance to enjoy summer. That's what I'd like to do. So Goldie Boxed, I did get the Goldie Boxed, and it will be coming probably mid-ish July, I would think. I'm not sure when she starts shipping them. But I do like that about Goldie Boxed. It is really the right season. We're gonna be getting summer stuff in summer, and I like that. And then we'll pick fall on the first day of fall, which is, you know, it used to be the 21st of September, But now I think it might be the 22nd or the 23rd. It just depends on how it runs. But anyway, I like seasonal things to be seasonal, and I don't want to think about fall stuff right now. But I haven't been to. And what do y'all think about the Fab Fit Fun stuff? I did cancel my Fab Fit Fun because I was renewing July 10. So by July 10, which is Monday, they're not going to have all of the things out. And I've been with them for 3 years, I think, maybe 4. I think it's 3. And I wanted a break. As far as a lot of people get free stuff when they cancel. They've not offered me not one thing. So on the way out of trying to cancel, which was a big to-do, took me a long time to actually cancel. Thought I had canceled, and then I wasn't canceled. I had to try it again. They beg you not to leave, and they did offer me $25 to spend in the shop, but I didn't take it. So now I have no offers whatsoever. So we'll just see how that goes. Something will come along, I would assume. So I think what I have to do, just because I have some new subscribers, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, y'all. I want to get to 2,000. I really do. I mean, who does? I want to get to 5,000. And I think if I got to 5,000, I'd be really satisfied. But 2,000 is, I thought when you grow that you'd keep growing, but it's not really happening all that good. But I did hit 1,900, and I'm not looking for accolades on that, really. I just want to say that because I have a lot of new subscribers, thank you all so much for being here. I need to reiterate my giveaway rules. In my video, if you are looking at your phone, if you're watching from TV and never look at your phone, I don't know what to tell you. But if you're looking at your phone like most people do, below the video is a description. Look at it, because it's filled with all kinds of information. I'm not the only one. Everybody puts information in there. I start mine off with hashtags about the video to try to put it more out into the universe. I don't know if it works or not. And then I have like things that I am subscribed to, and how you can, if you want to get Ipsy and you want to sign up under me, the link for that kind of stuff, And then toward the bottom, I have my address. If you want to send me some friend mail or a card or something, be great. I love getting cards, love getting them. And there's also my giveaway rules. I did recently change them. I tweaked them a little bit. But the giveaway rules are they're very similar to most everybody else's rules. You have to be, just because I think I've been saying them so long, they're based on, I guess my understanding is, what YouTube wants us to tell you. YouTube has nothing to do with my giveaways. You have to be 18 years or older to win one of my giveaways. I am not responsible for anything that might happen to the package once it leaves my hands, which will be at the post office. I'll get you a tracking number, and if it gets lost or stolen, I'm not responsible. If you have a reaction to anything in the package that I've sent to you, I'm not responsible. So please test. If you get any creams or whatever, please test that stuff before you use it, especially if you have allergy issues. Also, most people say you have to have an address in the continental United States. I'm changing that. I have recently found out that you can live in Hawaii, and I can send you something. It's going to cost me the same as if I send to California, New York, Alabama. So you don't have to be in the continental United States, but you have to have an address in the United States for me to send winnings to you. You can live anywhere in the world. But if you have someone here in the States that will send you a package, I'd be happy to send that package to them for you. And then they can forward to you when they send you things. A lot of people have family here. You're welcome to win a giveaway of mine. But I have to be able to send it in the United States. And I give you 48 hours to get back in touch with me when I pull the winner's name. I always make a video of my winners, always. I don't put it on my community tab. A lot of people do that, but I don't see a lot of community tabs, so I don't expect you to see my community tabs. If you're watching my channel and you have entered a giveaway, you need to just hit the buttons. There's a bell down there, and you have to hit it a couple of times to get it where it's all blackened in. Then you'll get notifications of my videos, and then you'll see if there's a winning video out there. You'll see, oh, let's see, did I win? and you have 48 hours to get back in touch with me. If I can, if I know you well enough, if I have information from you, I will try to get a hold of you. If I can send you a message on Instagram or an email, or find you on Facebook or something, then I'll try to reach out to you myself. So, but if I can't, I can't, and then I have to pick somebody else. I usually give you more than 48 hours, but those are the rules in case I can't get a hold of you. I don't want you to be upset with me over it. You've got to be watching. So on that note, you also have to be publicly subscribed. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to be publicly subscribed to my channel. Unless I tell you no, that you don't have to be, which I tell you on my treasure trove giveaway. But that's because that if you are someone I know, then and you are not publicly subscribed, I have to know you. So you have to have a relationship with me. You have to work up a relationship with me. You can win my giveaways. If you don't have a relationship with me and you're brand new and you enter a giveaway, you can win a giveaway from me if you are publicly subscribed. And if you don't know what that means, then you need to ask me right now. Send me a message and I'll send you my video that I made to tell you how to do it. And it's very easy to do on your phone. If you use your computer, I will tell you how to make yourself public. It's easy to do. And yeah, so ask me, because it's not just me. Everybody wants you to be public, because our giveaways, my giveaways, are to thank you for being here. They're to thank you for being a part of my channel, and I want to know that you are a part of my channel. So I have a lot of people entering giveaways lately that are not publicly subscribed. So please ask me or find out what that means, and then change your channel. Even if you don't have videos, what you have is called a channel. So you have to do that, and you have to be publicly subscribed, okay? Hope that makes sense. Not trying to be mean. It's just how things are in the YouTube world. And I am slowly getting, the end of the month, beginning of the month is always really very, very busy for me, because I lost 2 days at work. I have a lot of catching up to do. So nothing's been going out in the mail, except I have been trying to, those 17 sheet masks that a lot of y'all, I don't know if maybe 3 or 4 of you got in touch with me about that. If I have your information, I'm sending you a sheet mask. If I don't have your information, I'm not sending you a sheet mask. So if you haven't contacted me, you might not be getting one. And I'm getting those slowly out into the mail. So, you know, look for those. And they're just, I'm just putting them in an envelope. I'm putting postage on them, and I'm sending them. So it's a flat, it's called a flat, the way that I mail it. And so yeah, look for those. And there are other things. There's always other things. I have a lot of giveaways going on. Look for those. Nosherie has changed their website, their app again. I hope that they get things settled soon so that they can do an Android app. As soon as I know, I'll let you know. But now they're making it where you will have to do 14 days. You'll have to get 14 days of activity to win a box. And then instead of getting 4 things, you'll get 5 things. I know I stopped picking boxes because I get so many that, you know, I'm trying to let them know, you know, pick them when I have a couple to pick from. Then that way they can send it together and save on shipping and all that. So, all right, don't bite me. Don't bite me. And all right, so my giveaways, I have my treasure trove giveaway is always going on. I have my Day of Beauty is ending this weekend, so go look for that. That is, you have to be subscribed to me. You have to be subscribed to Unboxing with Arlene, Unboxings with Arlene. Hey. I also soon is, this week coming up, we'll be ending I Want to Give Away So You Can Win a Giveaway. That is with Unboxings with Wendy Jean. You have to be subscribed to both of us. My Whisk F giveaway is coming to an end soon. And I know I have a couple of hidden giveaways. So those are, I call them treasure troves. It just means that you have to watch my videos to know that they're there so you can win, so you can try to win. And that's really it. All I have. I hope that everyone's back to normal. I know a lot of people took this week off, so I hope that you're having a fabulous vacation still. Maybe you're on vacation through Sunday and you can really enjoy it. I hope you're having good weather where you are. Here at home, it has stormed every day since like last week, Thursday, I think it was. So just be careful wherever you are. Be safe. Have a safe weekend. Hopefully the fireworks have stopped. Hopefully. And my neighbors have been doing them like every day till midnight. You know what though? My house is sort of soundproof. I don't really hear them that well, which is good. And I think that's about it. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And thank you for stopping by. And please don't be upset with me about the rules. They're just rules that we have to have. And everybody has these rules. And some people tweak them a little bit here and there. So listen to what they tell you about their giveaways so that you can win their giveaways. And it's fun to win. So, you know, try it. Try to win. It's fun and you get some nice goodies. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Have a great weekend. And does anybody want a rotten cat? Camille. See, look, she's biting me. It's not just biting, it's these sharp nails. She's using the sharp nails, aren't you? She does love me though, and I love her. I love you, don't you? But she doesn't like to be held. She's slowing down. Oh, there she goes. So she must be getting tired. Anyway, y'all, have a good night. See you soon, and take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.